I am Valerie Alinco, Bachelor of Elementary Education student, second year, section 1. Today, we were tasked to identify and figure which historical figure we want to meet, and I decided to choose Melchora Aquino. I will explain why I choose Melchora Aquino by giving a brief background information about her. Melchora Aquino, popularly known as the Tandang Sora, was a widow, a farmer, and store owner who raised 6 children on her own. During the 1896 Philippine Revolution, even at the age of 84, she opened her home to the Katipuneros and became known as the Mother of Balintawak and Mother of the Philippine Revolution. Her house served as a meeting place, hospital, and food station for wounded and hungry revolutionaries. Because of her support, the Spanish authorities arrested her and exiled her to Guam in 1896. But she never revealed any information about the movement. And she returned to the Philippines in 1903 and lived until she was 107 years old. And that's the brief information of Tandang Sora. So why I choose this person? So I choose this person because I admire her strength and love for the Filipino people. And even she is a woman, she still continued to fight up until the end with the Filipino armies and revolutionaries. So next, I will state the 3 questions that I would ask her if I would be given a chance to meet her. So we all know that Melchora Aquino was a woman. So my first question for her is, were you ever scared that the Spaniard would find out what you were doing? How did you handle that fear? Because we all know that women is not privileged, unlike with men, because other people would treat them unfairly, especially during back in old days. Women are not given the right to do things that they think only men can do. So that's my first question to her. So next question is, many women then were told to just stay at home. What message do you have for other Filipinos, especially women who wants to help the country but feel powerless? So that's the second question. I want to hear and listen to her advice to the young people right now. The last question for her is, what advice would you give to young people today about loving and serving our country? As we go on modernity today, I want to know and hear her opinion and advice to the young ones today as loving our country, because we all know that young people today don't really care at all at the country. To sum it all up, Melchora Aquino proved that bravery comes in many forms. She did not fight with weapons, but with her heart. Despite being old and in danger, she continued to help the revolutionaries because she believed in freedom for the Philippines. Because of her courage and sacrifices, she will always be remembered as Tandang Sora, a true hero who inspired Filipinos to be strong, compassionate, and patriotic. And that would be all. Thank you.